Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today it's just a quick one what it looks like when I come back from my walk. So today I went to my local park. I wanted to check for some mushrooms. Lots of people are bringing some mushrooms home and I find some last year. Guess what? There was no mushroom at all. But what I find wild carrot. This is my first time, first year. It smells lovely. This is really difficult to identify, so if you are a beginner, don't go this way. And I can show you the root. Basically, it smells like carrot, but it's too woody, so you just use it for sort of seasoning, not like usual carrot, so it's quite woody. And I'm gonna save the seeds, but with these I'm gonna make some butter with flour, egg and water, and I'm gonna fry them, so I make some fritters. And I think I also dry them. I put them upside down and let them dry and use it in soups and stuff like that later on. And I've got loads of rowan berries. Check them out. They've got different colors. And I will make some jelly. So I just these berries, you need to cook them first, otherwise they are not good for us, so it needs to go through thorough cooking. And I think I will mix it with some 𝗪𝗟 to make some jelly. And I couldn't resist and I just pick a few of the hot ones. They are starting to be ripe, so this is my favorite one. Later in the year I'm gonna make some fruit leathers. So I've got always sort of like a cotton bag with me, and I never know what I will come across. On my walk also I came across Himalayan honeysuckle, and the berries, when they are ripe, you can eat them straight away, and they taste like caramel. And this was my first time I tried it, and it was so good. They need to be really ripe because otherwise it tastes really bitter. I didn't have anything which I could harvest them into because they are really soft, so I only managed to taste a few, but I know where they are, and I will definitely go again. So this is to give you some ideas and tips of what you can come across on your walks. And yes, now I need to process everything, so I've got a job to do. Check this out. So this is what I've got. I'm gonna wash everything and make something wonderful with it. And I also ate some blackberries on my way. The season is starting now, so I can't wait. Later on I'm gonna definitely check it and make some fruit leathers as well. So that's all from me. I hope it inspired you, and just go and check out what you can find in your local parks and enjoy the season. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.